legislative aids, saying it is important to bridge the gap of insufficient manpower for legislators to discharge the duties of making laws for the country. Biamila made this remark today at a 3-day capacity building workshop for legislative aids in Abuja. Our correspondent Linda Ike reports that the speaker was represented by the Deputy Majority Leader, Honorable Peter Akpatason, stated that legislative aids play a critical role in assisting lawmakers to be effective, both at the Assembly during plenary, committee meetings, oversight, and at the constituency level. The Director General, National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, Professor Abubakar Sulaiman, said the activities that enhance capacity of legislative aids are based on the need assessment survey conducted by the Institute earlier this year. The Deputy Senate President and Executive Chairman, National Assembly Service Commission, Ovie Omagege, who was represented by Otive Igbozo, charged the trainees to be proactive and to do more of research in order to be useful to the principals. Chairman Chief Executive of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency NDLEA, Brigadier General Mohammed Baba Marwa, retired, has called for an urgent strengthening of regional and international cooperation to identify and manage emerging new jurisdictional manifestations of drug trafficking. General Marwa made the appeal on Wednesday while speaking at the 14th United Nations Congress on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice taking place in Kyoto, Japan. While updating the world on efforts being made by Nigeria to respond to the drug scourge, the NDLEA boss said the country is addressing and countering illicit trafficking in drugs this has been done through an integrated and balanced approach implemented under the National Drug Control Master Plan. In a statement signed by the Director of Media and Advocacy NDLEA, Femi Babafemi, the NDLEA chairman stated that the private sector is not left out in the various reforms being introduced by government.
The strategy promotes lawmaking and constant review of existing laws to adapt to emerging and evolving realities. Our efforts in preventing and combating all forms of crime, such as trafficking in drugs, trafficking in persons, corruption, illicit financial flows, money laundering, smuggling of migrants, and terrorism, as well as new and emerging forms of crime, are guided by this strategy. Mr. President, Nigeria is addressing and countering illicit trafficking in drugs through an integrated and balanced approach implemented under the National Drug Control Master Plan, NDCMP, which was first introduced in 1999, with the third and immediate past plan being 2015 to 2019, extended to 2020.